Turkey Creek is great because we have a lot of native wildlife and plants. It's a chance to enjoy nature in an urban environment. It's very serene. Hi, I'm Tracy Wright, and I'm the Park Ranger Naturalist here at Turkey Creek Sanctuary, and we're pleased to announce a new tour that we have here at the sanctuary, and that is the self-guided QR code tour.
We've added QR codes to each of our stops on our self-guided nature tour, and scanning them is easy. Open either the camera app or your QR code reader app on your smartphone, scan the code, and you'll find out more information about this location. Or you can go to the website listed under the QR code. There are pictures, text, and videos. On the tour, you'll learn about animals, plants, and special features of Turkey Creek Sanctuary.
We're very excited to add this tour to our programs here at the sanctuary, so you can learn more about the plants and animals here and enjoy your visit ever more, and we look forward to seeing you soon.